Now, paano naman sa molarity? Okay, molarity, ang formula natin would be, this one should be capital. Okay, molarity denoted by capital letter M is moles of solute over liters of solution. The problem here is, what is the molarity of 53 grams of sodium carbonate dissolved in 400 ml of solution? Okay, so the mass of the solute is 5.3 grams and the volume of the solution is 400 ml. So we could have this one, okay na tayo dito sa liters of solution, ko-convert lang natin tong ml. Pero yung moles again, wala kasi nga naka-grams tayo. Pero uulitin natin, alam natin yung formula ng moles by having mass over or divide by molecular weight. Kaya sa solution natin, kailangan nating mag-compute muna ng molecular weight ng sodium carbonate. So, sodium atom may dalawa because of the subscript 2 multiplied by the 23 grams per mole coming from periodic table. The product is 46 grams per mole. For the carbon, we only have one carbon atom times 12 grams per mole coming from the periodic table. The product is 12 grams per mole. And then the last, the oxygen, we have 3 oxygen because of the subscript 3 multiplied by 16, which is the atomic weight. Again, from the periodic table, yung values na ito. So the product would be 48 grams per mole. Okay, now that we have this individual product, we are going to add everything, add this one, so that we're going to get the molecular weight of sodium carbonate, and that would be 106 grams per mole. Now, meron tayong molecular weight. Pwede na tayong mag-compute ng moles. The 5.3 grams, which is given a while ago, divide this by the recently computed molecular weight, 106. That would be equivalent to 0.05 moles of sodium carbonate. Now that we have our moles, so meron na yan, ito na lang, liters of solution. So we have to convert the 400 ml to liters by dividing it by 1000 ml per 1 liter. So that would be, or rather multiply it by 1 liter per 1000 ml para mag-cancel yung ml. That would be equivalent to 0.4 liters. Now that we have everything, we could now substitute. So you have your molarity, moles of solute, which is 0.05, and yun. And then the liters of solution, which is 0.4 liters. Our concentration is 0.125 moles per liter. Or you could actually express it as 0.125 molar or just simple capital letter M.